Look forward to the time we don't show needles going into arms on video over and over and over again.
It seems like shots and dental work. We always have to get close-ups on.
Let's leave that alone. We know what it looks like.
Humidity begins dropping tonight. It actually feels better, not totally good, but better outside. We are looking at some pretty nice weather heading through the rest of the week. We're in for some cooler mornings, especially very pleasant afternoons with the humidity much lower. And this weekend, we're looking at some tropical rain possibly moving through. Not from this. Tropical Storm Bill has formed with the 11 o'clock advisory. It's off the East Coast and is going to stay off the East Coast, not really strengthening that much. 45-mile-per-hour winds with it right now. Might get up to 50 miles per hour Tuesday morning, but it's not going to strengthen that much as it lifts into that relatively cooler water of the North Atlantic. Meanwhile, the Bay of Campeche down below the Gulf of Mexico, we're looking at a lot of model data now suggesting that this system will develop and move northward, impacting the coastline later this week. So we're going to keep a close eye on that. That could be a rainmaker for us. Nothing really torrential, but certainly some rain a possibility. Right now it's 81 in Chattanooga, 79 in Cleveland, 66 in Murphy, and 79 degrees in Athens. Blue Ridge at 72. Looking at our dew points, this is a great way to measure how much moisture is in the air, how sticky, how uncomfortable the air is. When dew points are in the 70s, you're talking about very muggy air at 72 in Cleveland. Still pretty humid when it's in the 60s. We're at 64 in Chattanooga. We'll take a look to the north. Dew point values are down into the 40s and 50s, and that drier air is going to be sagging southward overnight tonight through the day tomorrow. So we are going to see our dew points falling as we move through the next few days. I've plotted it out as we track the humidity tomorrow. Dew points will be in the 50s, same on Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, we start to see the humidity rising again, so it's going to be fairly muggy over the weekend, but this is also when we may get some tropical rain mixed in with that humidity, and some of those showers could linger on into next week. So not much going on the high-res radar. We're rain-free tonight. As a matter of fact, we're pretty cloud-free as well. We're going to see skies staying fairly sunny through Tuesday. Northerly winds continuing to bring in that drier and slightly cooler air. We'll see the humidity fairly low on Wednesday. Temperatures will start out in the low 60s on Wednesday morning, and then we'll climb to the upper 80s Wednesday afternoon with that low humidity staying in place. Moving into Thursday, the high pressure is fully intact, and we're looking good. Friday, not much going on either. I'm tracking that tropical system in the Gulf of Mexico, and Vipercast showing some of the rain heavy lifting up along the Gulf Coast, Louisiana to Texas, but nothing in the Tennessee Valley yet. I do think on Saturday, ahead of that, we may get a couple of stray showers here and there. This is Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, and then Sunday, maybe some of those showers continuing to press on through. So models are going to change quite a bit between now and then. Meteorologically, Sunday is a long way off, especially when you're dealing with the tropical system. So we'll keep an eye on it, but right now it looks like the best chance of getting any of that rain is going to be over the weekend into the first part of next week. Tonight, skies continue to clear out. The humidity will continue to drop with those northerly winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. We'll drop down into the mid to upper 60s, right around 70 in Chattanooga. It's going to feel great tomorrow morning in Murphy. Cup of coffee on the deck, 61 degrees. A bit cooler tomorrow, 95 today, 88 tomorrow. That's going to be a big noticeable difference. Much more comfortable with that lower humidity tacked in there as well. Mid to upper 80s in the valley, low 80s in our higher elevations, and then that lower humidity. Boy, doesn't that just look nice. Okay, we do have to put up with a 90 on Thursday and 94 on Friday, but look at these mornings. Low 60s, yes please, anytime. And then the humidity comes right back in. We see our morning lows cranking back up into the low 70s. We're watching the tropics. I'm sure these percentages are going to be changing over the next few days, so just keep an eye out, and some of those showers possibly lingering on into Monday. Greg, it's also going to be fairly breezy tomorrow as that front passes through.